Hello Himu, how are you?
I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. How are you?
I'm not fine. Nowadays, I have been feeling weak and sick. I always feel drowsiness.
You look so tired and sick.
Yes, you are right. I always feel tired and sleepy. I don't know what happened to my health.
Do you get up early in the morning?
No, I woke up late. I'm quite sleepy.
I wake up early in the morning. I do some exercise. Walking is the best exercise. In the morning, I do morning walk. Is benefit to human health.
I have heard about it. Can you tell me more?
Of course, the main benefit of phys- morning walk is to get the fresh air. I can boost your energy level.
Is there any other benefit morning walk?
Sure, I can improve sleep cycle.
Really, I'm missing all of these benefits.
Sure, you are right. Start morning walk time tomorrow.
Of course, I will start rising in the morning.
It will bring good luck for you.
Thanks a lot for your important suggestion.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.